everybody, so today I'm going to film a video for my viral Pinterest makeup look. I say viral very loosely because I don't like to use the word viral, but it just has a lot of shares and has a lot of saves and stuff like that. So I'm going to finally do a recreation of it. I don't know if that's a lot of shares or a lot of saves because I've seen people have like a lot of saves, but I just think it's not a little bit. So, you know, I don't know. I just don't want to use the word. Listen, just don't drag me, okay, if I say viral. I already did my base and everything like that. I did my eyebrows. I did everything else off camera because today we're mostly focusing on the eye makeup, or we're basically only focusing on the eye makeup. So, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna do the eye makeup and yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. We're gonna follow the guide directly and exactly so that you guys can understand what each step meant. I should probably pull up the guide. So here. I love Pinterest so much. It's like my comfort app. I've had Pinterest since middle school, which is like 2011, 2012-ish. I think I had it in 2013. I think that's when I got it. But I really love Pinterest very, very much. And yeah, so step 1 in the eye makeup and step 2 have to do with the shadow. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the shadows and everything like that first. Yes, this palette. Okay, very fun. So I got a new one because the other one was a little messy, and then I re-recorded like my little 3D effect thing with it, and I'm happy about that because I love this palette very much, and I'm happy to have a new fresh one to mess up again. You guys know this is my favorite palette. Like every video I record, I use this palette. It's like my favorite one. So we're just gonna start off by doing what we did here, and I honestly don't remember exactly. I just know that I used these colors right here, but I don't know if I used this color to do the light part. So I'm just gonna go in with it. I think I did, so we're just gonna do that anyways because the center is really light. So we're just gonna use this, and we're just gonna mix it in with this just to give it that peachy look, because this is like a peachy pinkish look. At least that's how you start it off, and then we add up everything else. We add on everything else. Yeah, so once you blend that in, you're gonna have like this nice peachy, kind of like really pale apricot-y, more like an apricot-y, like a pale apricot smoky look in the corner. You can add more if you want to. Do it to your discretion. Do it to your discretion? Is that the right word? I don't know. But do it to your liking. Just like add it as much as you want and make it look how you want it to look. And then we're gonna go on with the color underneath it, just a tiny bit on the brush. Blow it off a little bit, just because we don't want too much. Because we're just gonna put it like right here, just to give it some more, you know, depth to it, like more towards this area. So don't put it in the corner, but put it in the middle. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the color we've all been waiting for, the pink. So sometimes I'll do my bottom eye at the same time, but I didn't this time, but it's okay. So we're just gonna go in with the pink all in the outer area. So we're just gonna blend it in the outer area, and then we're gonna come back and kind of cover this with it as well. You know, you're gonna shadow it out. So yes, I just like that I have a video now to go with the picture because I didn't record a video for that look, and I really like that look. I don't remember what I was doing exactly when I was doing that look, but I really liked it, and I was sad that I didn't like take a picture because it was so pretty and glittery and beautiful. And yeah, I'm just happy that I can now like put a video to the image, the beautiful image that people really like on Pinterest. It literally is still getting saves to this day, and I did that makeup back in like 2022 or something, or 2020. I don't remember. It was like 2022. I don't know. It was when I finally fully mastered Douyin makeup, and I was just feeling myself in that era. So I was just doing Douyin makeup like crazy. Like if you look at any of my Monster High pictures, because I'm slowly unprivating some of my old cosplay pictures, but if you look at some of my old Monster High pictures, they literally are with Douyin makeup. Like I've always done that, and it's just my thing. But yeah, once you're done, you should have like this like beautiful kind of like mojito kind of, you know, like pink lemonade type of thing going on. You know, a trip to the pool, endless days in my shade, in my shades. That's what it should give when you're done. We're gonna add in the pink at the bottom. Yeah, we're gonna add in the pink at the bottom because I honestly did the whole bottom with the pink, which is kind of surprising for me because usually I use a lighter color, but in that one I actually did do this because I wanted like a peachy-ish color. So we're gonna do the pink out here, and then I know in the corner I did a little light apricot. So we're gonna use the color above it, and we're just gonna put it in the corner. I guess I used one brush for all of this. I didn't care. Just to have that nice little gradient effect. And we're just gonna blend it in. Just gonna blend it in. Yeah, it should be good there. And at the end, we'll add the like lighter color in the corners as well too. So after all of that is done, which is a very quick process if you really just go through, this could be done in like 10 minutes tops, like the whole makeup look. I'm not gonna lie to you, because it literally only took me like 5 minutes to do the beat. Like once you know your base makeup, you're good to go. And the eye makeup, once you know how to do this like properly, you can fly through it in like 10 minutes, I promise. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom line and the glitter, okay? You always do the liner before you do the glitter on the bottom, because the glitter is just going to get covered, okay? So let's do the line. It's best to use a very thin eyeliner when you do this. This one is not the thinnest you could be using, or I could be using, sorry, but it's pretty thin. And we're gonna do for this one, which one did I do? Did I do the straight out? Or did I do a hook up? Okay, whoops. Okay, so we're gonna do like a hook up egg style line. So it's just gonna go hooked up, like a lower waterline. I'm sorry, not I guess a waterline. The waterline, we're gonna do a hook up one, where it goes like upward, because that's what I did with this makeup. I did it like upward going. Anyway, so we're gonna add the glitter in. So the glitter that we're gonna use is this one right here, this like white glitter. I used to like use this religiously. I also have like one in a pen that you can use. So if you don't want to use like a crushed glitter on a palette, you can also use one of those. So you can use like one of these glitters in this little container. I know I use this glitter. I've been using this glitter lately because it's super pigmented, but today I'm gonna use, actually no, I'm gonna use the glitter I used if there's any more left, because I've had this for a while and I don't know if there's anything in here. So we're gonna try to see if there's anything in there, and if not, then we'll just use the other one. Because this one, I used this one because it was pink, so it kind of like went with it. Look at all the glitter flying out of here, but it looks like nothing is on the brush. Because I think I've used this to death. Like, it's literally probably so done. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's like done for. It's done for. Okay, anyways, it's done for, so we're just gonna use some of the one from the palette. A lot of people may wonder, how do you know when it's the right amount of glitter? Only you know when it's the right amount of glitter. When your heart tells you that's enough glitter, then it's the right amount. Me personally, I'm trying to shine like the top of the Chrysler building. I don't know why I shook my body like that. Okay, so anyways, after that, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to add that color that I was talking about in your waterline. I think I said it earlier, I don't remember exactly if I did. And you can use the color that you use to bake underneath your eye. If you bake underneath your eye, whatever color that is, like, you know, that yellow powder that you use, you can use that. You can use like a peachy pale color, like what I use with this eyeshadow. Or you can use a peachy pale color, or you can use like one of those sticks that have that peachy cream color, and you can put it in there because it's easier that way and it's more precise. And the creamy color also helps it not look too chalky, rather than using eyeshadow or like a powder. But I just do it like this because I feel like it. That should be everything with that part of the makeup. After that, we're just gonna go ahead and do our Manha lashes and our blush and our glitter. So for the glitter, I use this as well on my nose, but since it's ran out, I'm just gonna use some of the glitter from here, but I'm gonna use the lighter pink next to it. Okay, we're back and the eyes are done. After doing all of that, I have come to the conclusion that I want more glitter. Like the lashes cover the glitter, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. You know, just a look right now. I'm gonna do my eyeliner now. I like how in their tutorial I didn't have like a direction to do your eyeliner, I think. Did I? Okay, so I quickly did my eyeliner off camera. So yeah, now that the eyeliner is done and everything like that's done, you can now add your egg yolk style if you want to go ahead and do that. So for the egg yolk style, I always do the same thing every single time. I know that a lot of people already kind of get the vibes of the egg yolk style, but you can use like a color that you use to contour a little bit lighter than that, like one of those darkish kind of colors when you have dark skin. When you have lighter skin, you can probably use something a little bit lighter than that, but yeah, I'm just going to use kind of like a contour color, just going down here. And we don't want to put too much, just a little bit is enough, like just a little bit like this. I'm telling you, it's enough. Yeah, once you add that dark color underneath your eye, you can go in with like a yellowish kind of color or whatever you use to highlight or whatever, and you can just like go right underneath where you put the dark color and kind of clean it up, and also like give it that extra pop, you know? And yeah, that's it for the eye makeup look. So now we're gonna go in with some contour on my nose. I forgot to contour my nose as well, so let me just do that really quickly. I usually just go like this, and then I do underneath with a darkish color, like a more darker color, and then I do the sides, and then I do right across, and yeah, just really blend that out. I like to do shadows like I'm, you know, webtoon or something, like I'm coloring myself in. Don't use a brush like this. I just don't have the brush in my hand and I don't feel like getting up, so just, yeah, use an actual brush, but you get the gist. So for the blush, I always use like a darker color. And I've seen a lot of makeup artists do this for celebrities lately, where they do like double blush. And I've loved that people are just like into super blushy colors now, because I love to do like a dark. I gotta do it the opposite way though. I want to try the other way around, but I'm so used to doing it like this that I'm scared to try something new. I don't know. But I like to put down the dark color first in the center like this. And I started doing that more often, because I used to just do it like kind of like this more, like this way instead of like a circle. But I literally just do like go like this, because the brush is already a circle, so I just kind of like pat it down like that. And I've started doing that because of Feel My Rhythm, the music video of Red Velvet. Their makeup in that era was so fucking pretty with the blush that I've just been doing it like that a lot, or like always, like literally for everything. So yeah, I just kind of focus it in the center and going into the eye a little bit. And then once I put down that hot pink color, I go ahead and go over it with like the lightest pink color in this palette, or peachish color in this palette. And then I go on top of it, because once I go on top of it, it gives it this like highlight effect that I really freaking like. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, yeah. Okay, so everything is done, you guys. I really love this look. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures of this so I can put it on my Pinterest again. But yeah, this is basically the look. Everything is completed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do that. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my hair and then come back so you guys can see like everything like fully done and stuff. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Movie magic once again. I'm back. Yay! So this is the look, you guys. I don't know if it looks good without the brushed out curls or if I should brush them out, because I really like them not brushed out at all. I like them just kind of like this. What do you guys thinky poo? Thinky poo is funny. It's actually hilarious, actually. Anyways, what do you guys think? I fuck with it. What you fucking with it? I'm fucking with it. I'm messing with it. Trying to make sure the front part is okay, because my lace is honestly never good and I don't know how to lay wigs, so it's always gonna look messy, but it's okay. It is a-okay. We are a-okay. We are Gucci. Let's just do that. That'll help. Yes. Okay, so this is nice. I like this. What do you guys think? Well, you can't tell me, but like, I feel like it'll look good brushed out as well. Maybe I should brush it out. Maybe, yeah. But I really like it unbrushed out. Everything all together. Yeah, this is it. I love it. I love this very much, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I really enjoyed filming it, and I will see you guys next time with something new. Just go ahead and request whatever you want to see. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.